shadow coming in.
Oh yeah, there it is. There's the shadow. Wow, look at that. Here it comes. Oh my God, look at it. Here comes the shadow. Look at that. It's like a tornado. Oh my God, here we go. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Here we go. Look at this. Oh my God, it's coming. The moon's shadow is coming. It is coming. Oh my God, here it comes. Look at this. I've never seen it like this, ever. Only in a plane. No flashes. Oh my God, here we go. Look at it. Oh my God. Whoa. Look at that. Oh my God. Here we go. Oh my God, it's coming right over us like a storm. Look at this. Oh my God, we're getting close. Getting close. No filter. Oh my God, Corona. There it is. Diamond Belly's beads. Belly's beads diamond ring. Look at that. Corona. Totality. Totality. Oh my God. Look at that. Totality. Oh my God. Look at those streamers. Look at the crumbs. It's all prominences. Look at that. Prominences. Look at the moon. Red all around. Full shadow. Completely elongated. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that streamer. 7 o'clock. Prominences. 12 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Streamers. Look at that. Elongated. Oh my God. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Oh my God. Totality. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous.
Incredible shadows on the left side mountains. You can see across the Pacific the entire shadow stretching across the ocean.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that curved shadow. Look at that. Look at it coming to light. Oh my God. Passing right in the shadow of the moon. Look at that. Look at those prominences. You can see them with your naked eye. This chromosphere. Look at that. Here comes the shadow. It's lifting up. It's going out. It's going out. Going up to the atmosphere. Oh, look at down there. Light. Oh, what is it? It's beating. Oh, that's a flare. Look at that diamond ring. Look at that. Oh my God. Diamond ring. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. Oh.